The Boy and the Old Piano. Once upon a time, in a small mountain village, there lived a boy named Min with his grandmother in a tiny house. Min's family was very poor, but deep in his heart, he had a burning dream: to become a pianist. However, his family couldn't afford a piano. Min could only look at pictures of pianos in books and imagine himself playing beautiful melodies. One day, while collecting scrap with his grandmother, Min discovered an old, broken piano left by the roadside. Only a few keys worked, but he was overjoyed as if he had found treasure. Every day after school, Min sat by the broken piano, using his imagination and memory to practice. He taught himself through library books and old videos. Sometimes he was teased by other kids for playing a silent piano, but he just smiled and kept trying. Years passed. One day, a famous musician happened to hear Min play at a school performance. He couldn't believe that a poor boy who learned on a broken piano could play with such heart and emotion. Min was awarded a full music scholarship and later became a renowned pianist. He never forgot that old piano, a symbol of perseverance, hard work, and never giving up on your dreams. Moral: no matter how difficult your situation is, if you try your best and don't give up on your dreams, life will open a path for you.